Welcome to the world of Tungaloy. To our state-of-the-art facility, to our arsenal of groundbreaking solutions in turning, grooving, milling, and hole making, to the place where precision and power create the force to drive the super industries. From its origins in the early 1930s, when it was the first to develop a super hard alloy in Japan, to the relaunch in the 1950s, Tungaloy Corporation has a long tradition of excellence in the development of materials and innovative products. Tungaloy led the way with its Cermet for finishing operations, CBN for machining hard materials, ceramics, and carbide grades. In 2009, Tungaloy's amalgamation into the IMC Corporation began the drive to take the lead in the Japanese market and become a principal international supplier of advanced cutting tools.
It's the beginning of a whole new Tungaloy operation, and no one is more proud than I am.
To achieve these goals, Tungaloy is investing heavily in the development of tomorrow's cutting tools, in new machinery, in R&D capabilities, and automation. Now, Tungaloy is creating a higher standard in metalworking. Ton G-Force, a remarkable line of new products, innovative geometries for turning, grooving, milling, and drilling applications. And to boost insert performance, Tung Force grades. With our unique coating process and innovative surface treatment, the force is here. Premium G-Tech. Tungaloy is expanding its manufacturing plants with the latest robotics to boost productivity and still maintain the highest quality standards in the industry. Tungaloy employs the most advanced QA systems and devices to support its stringent quality control. Every product leaving a Tungaloy factory is exhaustively checked and tested to ensure it meets and exceeds international standards. As well as expanding its reach in Japan, Tungaloy continues to deepen its global presence through opening many subsidiaries worldwide, as well as through its attendance at major exhibitions, launching innovative marketing campaigns, and conducting international seminars at its tech center in Iwaki. Tungaloy people bring with them standards of commitment and hard work that push the entire group forward. It is a standard of personal excellence that accompanies every Tungaloy employee, whatever his vocation, and its fruits are enjoyed by customers the world over.
Here in Japan, I think it's a company that I would love to go to work for. It's always a good idea to hitch yourself to a rising star, and Tungaloy is indeed a rising star.
Tungaloy is committed to creating the kind of solutions that will enable our customers to broaden their customer base and stay one step ahead of the game. Tungaloy, the force behind your success.